So, I hear you have an obsession with chips. Is that true?
No, not me. I'm a person that can control myself, and what's that? Like you're staring at me. Oh, I'm sorry. It's just a poster, you know. Yeah.
So, what's that in your hand?
This. It, it's it's not a chip. It's a space chip. Yeah, space chip. Yeah. Yum.